Speech. Work from home versus work from office. Today, I stand before you to speak on a highly relevant, and transformative topic: work from home versus work from office. The way people work has changed dramatically in recent years, especially after the pandemic. Companies around the world adopted remote working models to continue operations. This gave rise to a major debate. Which system is better, work from home or work from office? Both models have their own advantages and challenges related to productivity, cost, and employee well-being. Let us first discuss work from home. One of its biggest advantages is flexibility. Employees can work from the comfort of their homes, saving time and energy spent on traveling. This creates a more convenient, and less stressful lifestyle. Many employees feel more relaxed and focused in a familiar environment, which can improve productivity. Another major benefit is cost reduction. Employees save money on transportation, food, and office-related expenses. Companies also reduce operational costs, such as electricity, office rent, and maintenance. This makes remote work financially efficient for both employers and employees. Work from home also improves work-life balance for many people. Employees can spend more time with their families and manage personal responsibilities more effectively. This contributes to better mental health and emotional stability. Such a working model appears highly beneficial for employee well-being. However, work from home also has several disadvantages. One major issue is isolation. Employees may feel disconnected from colleagues and workplace culture. Lack of face-to-face interaction can reduce teamwork and communication. Over time, this creates a psychological sense of loneliness and disconnection. Another concern is reduced discipline and distractions at home. Not everyone has a proper working environment. Household responsibilities, noise, and internet issues can negatively affect performance. This may reduce overall productivity and create an unstructured work routine. Now, let us discuss work from office. Traditional office culture promotes collaboration, teamwork, and direct communication. Employees can interact with colleagues, exchange ideas, and solve problems more efficiently. This creates a more professional, and organized working environment. Work from office also helps maintain discipline and accountability. Employees follow fixed schedules and remain focused on tasks. Managers can monitor performance more effectively, which often increases productivity. In addition, office environments provide better access to resources and technology. Another important advantage is social interaction. Human beings are naturally social, and workplace relationships can improve motivation and emotional well-being. Employees often feel more connected and engaged in an office setting. This creates a more collaborative work culture. However, work from office also has drawbacks. Daily commuting. Commuting can be exhausting and time-consuming, especially in crowded cities. Long travel hours increase stress and reduce personal time. This creates a detrimental impact on work-life balance. Office work can also be expensive. Employees spend money on transportation, meals, and formal clothing. Companies, too, must bear high operational costs. Additionally, fixed office schedules may reduce flexibility and increase pressure on employees. When we compare both systems, it becomes clear that there is no perfect solution. Productivity depends on the nature of work and the individual employee. Some people perform better in remote environments, while others work more effectively in offices. Therefore, many organizations are now adopting hybrid models that combine both systems. The hybrid model offers flexibility along with collaboration. Employees can work remotely for certain days while also attending the office when necessary. This creates a more balanced and adaptable approach to modern work culture. In conclusion, both work from home and work from office have their strengths and weaknesses. Work from home offers flexibility, cost savings, and comfort, while work from office promotes collaboration, discipline, and social interaction. The future of work may not lie in choosing one over the other, but in finding the right balance between the two. A successful work environment should focus not only on productivity, but also on employee well-being and satisfaction. After all, motivated and healthy employees are the true foundation of organizational success. Thank you.